Ever thought about earning as an architectural student, not just to cover your coffee or pizza expenses, but to gain financial independence and support your studies? Today we'll delve into the practical ways you can start making money while still studying. So let's dive into the exciting world of earning as an architectural student. Did you know freelancing can be a gold mine for architectural students? Now let's dig into this golden opportunity. Freelancing can take many forms for architectural students. You could offer 3D modeling services, architectural drawing, or even design consultation. The beauty of freelancing is its flexibility. You can work at your own pace, in your own comfort zone, and choose projects that align with your interests. But the benefits extend beyond the monetary gains. Imagine the practical experience you can gather while freelancing. You're not just designing on paper, but you're also bringing ideas to life for real clients. This can be a significant boost to your portfolio. What's more, freelancing can also help you expand your professional network. As you collaborate with different clients and professionals, you're opening doors for future opportunities. Freelancing can not only bring in some extra cash, but also help you build a strong portfolio. Ever considered internships or part-time jobs related to your field? If not, let's take a moment to explore how these can be a game changer in your architectural journey. Internships and part-time jobs in architecture firms serve a dual purpose. They not only help you earn some money on the side, but also provide valuable industry experience. This hands-on experience gives you an edge, allowing you to apply your theoretical knowledge in real-world situations. Additionally, these opportunities offer a platform to build your professional network. Networking is often the key to landing a dream job, and what better place to start than an architecture firm where you're already working? Above all, internships and part-time jobs in your field of interest can give you a taste of what it's like to be an architect. It's like a sneak peek into your future. In conclusion, a part-time job or internship can be a stepping stone to your dream job in architecture. Are you aware of the financial rewards of architectural competitions and grants? Well, let's delve into this further. Architectural competitions offer a unique platform for showcasing your innovative ideas while standing a chance to earn some serious cash. These competitions often attract entries from around the world, making them a fantastic opportunity to gain international recognition. Take, for instance, the Evolo Skyscraper competition, which offers a grand prize of $15,000, or the Jacques Rougerie Foundation International competition that offers a whopping 25,000 euros to the winner. Switching gears to grants, these are essentially funds you don't have to repay and are often awarded to students demonstrating exceptional promise in architecture. The American Institute of Architects, for example, offers the Jason Pettigrew Memorial Airy Scholarship, providing significant financial assistance to budding architects. Competitions and grants can boost your bank balance and your reputation in the architectural world, so why not give it a shot? Now that we've explored the various avenues to earn money as an architectural student, let's recap. We've ventured into the realm of freelancing, where your skills and creativity can be channeled into projects that not only pay, but also offer a chance to build your portfolio. It's a wide field, with opportunities ranging from drafting to 3D modeling, each with its own potential to supplement your income while studying. We've also delved into internships and part-time jobs. These provide invaluable real-world experience and the chance to work with professionals in the field. Just remember, the connections you make here can open doors for you in the future. Plus, the paycheck isn't too bad either. Next, we touched on the exciting world of competitions and grants. This is where your innovative ideas can truly shine. Whether it's a design competition or a research grant, these opportunities can provide not just financial rewards, but also recognition within the architectural community. And let's not forget, all these avenues are not just about earning money, they're about gaining experience, building a robust portfolio, and networking with professionals. These will all contribute to your growth as an architectural student and future architect. So start exploring these options today and make your journey as an architectural student financially rewarding and professionally enriching.